Hi folks, this is Bill Fitz from Phil Fitz Sports Cars and Phil Fitz Ford, located in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. Today we're showing you this beautiful 2007 Shelby GT500 with a 5.4 liter supercharged V8 motor and a 6-speed manual transmission. We just took this in trade with only 28,000 miles on the car. The car has had some upgrades for track purposes. The car has a new Borla exhaust, Ford Performance sway bars, new struts, new control arms on the rear. Also has a new clutch, a McCloud high performance, cue ball shifter, and rebuilt rotors, calipers, and pads. We also have 2 sets of keys and all the paperwork, service records for the last few years. Beautiful, beautiful car. We're located in Newcastle, Pennsylvania.